The Ground Truth platform, developed through our knowledge transfer partnership, is an innovative blend of finite element modeling and machine learning. It continuously analyzes live data from sensors installed on pipes and surrounding soil, transforming it into valuable insights regarding pipe conditions and their rate of deterioration. This solution offers a significant advantage in predicting potential bursts and failures in both clean and wastewater pipes. On a strategic level, Ground Truth can also estimate the remaining useful life of water mains and prioritize water assets for longer-term investment planning. This cutting-edge initiative delivers a comprehensive understanding of the soil pipe system and its response to various stresses such as hydraulic pressures and ground loads. This allows water utilities to make proactive decisions about pipe replacement, significantly reducing water supply interruptions, penalties, and enhancing customer satisfaction. Moreover, Ground Truth plays a crucial role in minimizing the environmental impact of pipe breaks, conserving precious water resources, and promoting sustainability. Prior to embarking on the KTP, I was fortunate to gain experience in both academia and industry. This initiative offered me an unparalleled chance to approach industrial challenges through an academic lens. Harnessing the cutting-edge expertise from the Center for Water Systems to address real-world issues was nothing short of exhilarating. Collaborating closely with water utilities across the UK and Europe, we delivered top-tier technology for asset monitoring, which was truly inspiring. Every hurdle we encountered over the past 3 years was surmounted through the combined efforts of University of Exeter academics and Datatecnics experts, a testament to the power of teamwork. The journey was not just rewarding, but truly inspiring. The class-leading engineering knowledge infused into the company through its relationship with the Center for Water Systems has caused the company and the university's reputation to grow in the sector, both as leaders in a cutting-edge area of impact-focused research. Datatecnics now possesses a distinctive technology for real-time pipe monitoring, failure prediction, and strategic investment planning